Hey guys, I'm going to be giving you my Just Play app tips and tricks. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different tips here that I've put down. So pick the highest playing game. So always check the coins per minute rate. Some games pay more than others. Also try new games. Often new games usually give bonus rewards for first play. And also play in shorter sessions. Many users find 5 to 15 minute chunks earn coins more efficiently than grinding for hours. Now there are some earning tricks here as well. So daily check-ins, open the app daily for login bonuses and streak rewards. Watch ads strategically. Ads may feel repetitive, but they often give double coins or extra spins, speeding up your cash out. Play during peak rewards. Sometimes payout rates are adjusted. Logging in multiple times a day help you catch higher rates. Now, if you want an efficiency boost, stick with easy games. So puzzle, tap, or idle games often let you rack up coins without stressing. And now, don't chase every game. Focus on 2 to 3 games you enjoy that pay well. This keeps you consistent. And turn on your notifications. Just play alerts you when new high paying games are available as well. Now there is a cash out strategy as well. So cash out daily if you want quick payouts. Just Play is known for fast PayPal payments or save coins for bigger payouts. Some gift card options are more valuable if you hold off and redeem larger amounts. And you can also track your progress. Keep an eye on how much time versus payout each game gives so you know where your effort is worth.